people, I hope you're all doing amazingly well today. So as you can see from the title, I'm going to be getting my lashes lifted, and you'll already have seen this I think in a week in my life if you are already subscribed to my channel. You'll have seen that video potentially. But this is the second time I've had LVL. So the first time I was actually kind of like a guinea pig for a friend of mine who was kind of working towards getting her certificate, so it's probably a little bit of a different experience, where this is I'm going to a friend of mine is a beautician, and she's the complete works, like she does everything. She's doing my pedicure, but she's also doing my lash lift today, so I thought I would take you along to show you how it's done. If you've never experienced it, I've always wondered how it looks. So this is my, fortunately the light is quite good in this room at the moment, so this is my lashes right now. They're really straight. I've got quite long lashes on the bottom and the top, but they're really quite dull at the moment. Unless I put mascara on, they really don't lift, so you don't really see the full oomph of what my lashes are. So I'm very excited to actually get this done, and hopefully this means I won't have to wear mascara all the time. Obviously I'll still wear mascara sometimes, but it's just quite nice when I'm working a lot to just roll out of bed, do the rest of my makeup, and not have to worry about putting mascara on or anything like that. I can just quickly rush and go and feel like I've got a little bit of something on my face that gives me a bit more of an awake look, I guess. So yeah, let's I'm just gonna grab a coffee and then we can go. Hey guys, so I've just made it. It's taken me about 25 minutes to get here, and there was a little bit of traffic, and I've still got 5 minutes to spare, which is awesome. So I'm just going to take you in, and Isley said it's fine for me to film, which I'm really excited about. So yeah, let's go. And so here you go, here's the before. Guys, so I've just sat down to do some more work, but I thought I would take you through my experience of LVL. I honestly couldn't recommend it more. It's so good. Isley is amazing anyway, like she really specialises in these sorts of things, so I think I knew I was in safe hands, so I expected the results to be amazing, and I'm really proud of how they came out. My lashes look and feel incredible. I didn't have any issues. Isley did a swatch test on me about 3 weeks ago, so I knew I wasn't allergic to anything. Obviously this is essential. If you're going to get something like this done, you need to obviously have a patch test completely done for you to make sure that you're not allergic to any of the products that they put on your eyes, because God forbid, you know, the outcome if you just got it done and you accidentally are allergic to something, oh, I don't even want to think about it. It must be horrendous. But yeah, I found it really, really relaxing. I mean, she's such a chill person anyway, so I think for me the whole experience was really good. That customer service element is really important. So if you're looking for someone to do LVL on you, just make sure that you find someone that obviously has a really great mindset, that obviously you come first, that your experience, the outcome is everything that you want it to be and more. So yeah, I'm really, really, really happy. I just, yeah, very, very, very happy. So yeah, I'll do a little bit of a closer look so you can see. Hang on a second. This is my new lashes. So I am so obsessed. They have turned out so well. And I just love them. I just love them so much. I just think, why didn't I get this done before? It looks like I've got mascara on, but I haven't. I've got a tint on my lashes. Izzy put like a blue and black tint on because she said that that would look really nice on my lashes, because obviously I already have dark eyelashes. But yeah, I am obsessed. Couldn't recommend this more. LVL is changing my life, I think. So very, very, very happy. Yeah, there you go. I hope you enjoyed this review. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and share with all your friends, and I'll see you next time. Bye.